Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your English grammar class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 8 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start children, chapter number 13, Simple, Compound and Complex Sentences. Let's learn. A clause is a group of words with a subject and a finite verb. तो एक क्लॉज कहते हैं हम वर्ड्स के ग्रुप को जिसमें सब्जेक्ट होता है और फाइनाइट वर्ब होती है. द नंबर एंड टाइप ऑफ क्लॉजेस इन अ सेंटेंस डिसाइड वेदर इट इज सिंपल, कंपाउंड और कॉम्प्लेक्स. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे सिंपल सेंटेंस को. अ सिंपल सेंटेंस हैज ओनली वन फाइनाइट वर्ब एंड एक्सप्रेसेस अ कंप्लीट थॉट. ओके, इसमें केवल एक फाइनाइट वर्ब होती है और ये पूरा थॉट एक ही लाइन में बता देता है. It may be short or long, but it still has just one clause. Examples: the puppy barked loudly. So यहाँ पर finite verb है barked. Rohan and his friends went to the park. Finite verb is went. Okay? So यहाँ पर double subject है Rohan and his friends. She loves coffee and tea. Finite verb is loves. Double object है यहाँ पर coffee, tea. The old man sitting under the tree told us a story. Finite verb is told and sitting is non-finite. A long sentence can still be simple if it has only one finite verb. Example के लिए आपको यहाँ पर ये कुछ sentences दिए हुए हैं और आपने इन्हें पढ़ना है. The first one I am going to read. The players wearing red jersey played the match at the Gandhi Garden with thousands of spectators in the stadium all around them. So यहाँ पर एक finite verb है played. Okay. Second sentence, the old man sitting under the banyan tree with a stick in his hand told us an interesting story. Finite verb is told. Rest sentences please read yourself. हम चलेंगे compound sentence पर. कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस भी इन्हें कहते हैं. अ कंपाउंड सेंटेंस हैज टू और मोर मेन यानी कि इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस जॉइंड बाय अ कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन. कंजंक्शन जैसे कि फॉर, एंड, नॉर, बट, और, येट, सो. ओके, सो आप इसको इस नाम से याद कर सकते हैं, फैन बॉयज. ईच क्लॉज कैन स्टैंड अलोन एज अ सेंटेंस. इसमें दो या दो से ज्यादा क्लॉज होते हैं लेकिन हर एक क्लॉज जो होता है वो एक सेंटेंस की तरह अकेला हो सकता है. एग्जाम्पल: द स्काई ग्रू डार्क एंड इट स्टार्टेड टू रेन. क्लॉज 1 इज द स्काई ग्रू डार्क एंड क्लॉज 2 इज इट स्टार्टेड टू रेन. ओके, सेंटेंस 2, शी ट्राइड हर बेस्ट बट शी कुड नॉट विन द रेस. Clause 1 is she tried her best and clause 2 she could not win the race. In the given example, two clauses are dependent of each other. Each clause is as important as the other one. So, if the subject of the second clause is the same, it may be omitted. She went to the shop and bought some bread. Okay, यहाँ पर she is the subject for both clause. तो हम उसमें से सेकंड क्लॉज में उसको ओमिटेड कर देंगे. ओके, इसको ओमिट कर दिया हमने यहाँ पर. He went to the market and bought some fruits and vegetables. Now, complex sentence जिसे हम कहते हैं subordinate clause. A complex sentence has one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses, dependent clauses. Okay, एक independent होता है इसमें clause और एक dependent. The subordinate clause cannot stand on its own and depends on the main clause to complete its meaning. So, जो subordinate clause होता है वो independent clause पर depend करता है. चलिए example देखेंगे. I stayed home because it was raining heavily. So, main clause क्या है यहाँ पर? I stayed home and subordinate clause is because it was raining heavily. Main clause is he did not go to school. Subordinate clause है यहाँ पर since he was unwell. The boy who won the medal is my cousin. मेन क्लॉज है द बॉय इज माई कजन. सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉज हु वॉन द मेडल डिस्क्राइब्स द बॉय. ओके, लास्ट एग्जाम्पल, प्लीज रीड योरसेल्फ. नाउ recapitulate simple sentence. One clause, one finite verb. Example, the sun rises in the east. Compound sentence में two or main. Compound sentence में two or more main clauses और दोनों independent होते हैं. Example, I like coffee and she likes tea. Complex sentence, one main clause plus one or more subordinate clauses, dependent. Example, I left early because I was tired. Now, classification of sentences. Based on meaning, sentences can be classified into the following types. Declarative statement होती है ये negative या positive. The sun rises in the east. This is a positive statement. Interrogative, you all know, question sentences. Have you finished your homework? Imperative में आप command करते हैं, request करते हैं, advice देते हैं. Close the door. This is command. Exclamatory, to express strong feeling. What a beautiful painting this is. Okay. Now transformation of sentences देखेंगे. Transformation means changing the form of a sentence without changing its meaning. The idea expressed remain the same, but the structure of the sentence changes. Assertive से negative में an affirmative sentence can be transformed into a negative sentence and vice versa. Negative को आप affirmative भी बना सकते हैं without changing meaning. Example, she is honest. So यहाँ पर assertive है. Okay, affirmative sentence है. अब अगर हम इसमें सिर्फ ये लिख देंगे कि she is not honest, तो sentence का meaning change हो गया. हमें यही meaning रखना है कि she is honest. So हम negative में बनाएंगे तो हम लिखेंगे she is not dishonest. So ये assertive का negative form है. Everybody likes music. Assertive का affirmative form. Nobody dislikes music. Okay, this is negative. Now assertive से interrogative हम कैसे बनाएंगे? A statement can be changed into a question that conveys the same meaning. Okay, एक statement को हम question statement में बदलेंगे लेकिन उसका meaning change नहीं होगा. He is very intelligent. Assertive. Okay, isn't he very intelligent? Interrogative, nobody could solve the riddle. Assertive, who could solve the riddle? Interrogative. Now exclamatory to assertive. Exclamations of strong feelings can be expressed as plain statements. What a thrilling match it was. So assertive में change करना है. It was a very thrilling match. Alas, he has failed again. Exclamatory, it is sad that he has failed again. Okay. Last example, please read yourself. Now imperative से assertive में बदलना है. Command और request imperative can be expressed as statements. आप इन्हें statement की तरह express कर सकते हैं. Assertive examples देखेंगे. Please help me. Imperative request है ये. I request you to help me. Okay. So work hard to succeed. This is an advice. You must work hard if you want to succeed. Assertive sentence बन गया. Now do not waste your time. ये command है. You should not waste your time. This is assertive sentence. Now we will see interchanging simple, complex and compound sentences. Simple into complex में कैसे बदलेंगे? Change a phrase into a clause. आप एक phrase को clause में change करोगे. Use who, which, when, because, although, so that, etc. Complex को simple में बदलने के लिए replace clause with a phrase. Because of, in spite of, due to, on account of, etc. Simple से compound में बदलना है तो use कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस जैसे कि एंड, बट, और, सो, येट। यहाँ पर आपको एक टेबल दिया हुआ है, सिंपल सेंटेंस, कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, कंपाउंड सेंटेंस। सिंपल सेंटेंस है लॉस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज नेवर रिटर्न। इसको कॉम्प्लेक्स में बनाएंगे, अपॉर्चुनिटीज दैट आर लॉस्ट नेवर रिटर्न। तो हमने सिंपल से कॉम्प्लेक्स में बदलना था, तो क्या किया, फ्रेज को क्लॉज में बदल दिया। ओके, डिस्पाइट बीइंग टायर्ड ही कंप्लीटेड द प्रोजेक्ट। Although he was tired, he completed the project. और कंपाउंड में he was tired, yet he completed the project. Due to her kindness, everyone likes her. Everyone likes her because she is kind. She is kind, so everyone likes her. Hearing a strange noise, the child woke up. When he heard a strange noise, the child woke up. He heard a strange noise and woke up. Okay, so इस तरह से हम sentences को simple, complex और compound में change कर सकते हैं। Rest of the table आप खुद से पढ़ेंगे and now we will practice. Exercise A is rewrite the following simple sentences as compound sentences. तो यहाँ पर आपको simple sentences दिए हुए हैं, आपने इन्हें बदलना है compound के लिए। So children, few I have done for you. In spite of his injury, he completed the race. He was injured, but he completed the race. By working hard, she earned everyone's respect. She worked hard and she earned everyone's respect. The sun having said, the farmers returned home. The sun had said, so the farmers returned home. He must study regularly to pass the exam. He must study regularly or he will not pass the exam. The soldier fought bravely in the battle. The soldier was brave and he fought bravely in the battle. I came early to get a seat in the front row. I came early for I wanted to get a seat in the front row. So children, rest sentences you will rewrite in compound sentences yourself. Exercise B is convert the following compound sentences into simple sentences. Few I have done for you. The sun set and the stars appeared. The sun having set, the stars appeared. She finished her work and went out to play. After finishing her work, she went out to play. He must apologize or he will be punished. He must apologize to avoid being punished. I shouted loudly, but nobody heard me. In spite of my shouting loudly, nobody heard me. Now, the players practiced hard, so they won the match. By practicing hard, the players won the match. Rest sentences you will convert into simple sentences yourself. Now we come on the last exercise of this chapter. Convert the following complex sentences into simple sentences. The first one is, I know that he is an honest man. So, simple में बदलेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा, I know his honesty. The book which you gave me is very interesting. The book given by you is very interesting. She left the room because she was angry. She left the room due to her anger. This is the place where I was born. This is my birthplace. So children, now rest sentences you will convert into simple sentences yourself. Okay? This chapter ends here children. I hope that this is clear to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.